Welcome back to Garvit's kitchen. Today we're going to make chayote curry or Ishkush in Nepali. For ingredients, we have 3 chayotes, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, quarter teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, fennel seeds, cumin seeds, mustard seeds, and nigella seeds, 2 bay leaves, and 1 dried chili pepper, and salt according to your taste. I cut the chayote in this specific shape. And you can find chayote at any Indian or Nepali grocery store. The first step in cooking is to turn your stove to high heat and then put in your avocado oil. Use around 3 tablespoons. Next step is to put in your chili peppers and bay leaves. Next, put in your 5 spices. Now, stir it. And lower the heat. Next, put in your turmeric powder. And then your chayote. Now put in your salt according to your taste. Next, give it a stir. After you stir it, put the lid back on. Let it sit there for around 3 to 4 minutes, and after that, we'll stir it again. After leaving the lid on the chayote, it'll start leaving some water behind. As shown here. You'll cook until the chayote is soft, and after that, we'll turn the heat back to high, which will dry up the water, and after that, we'll add the curry powder. Now that our chayote has been softened, as shown here, we now add our curry powder. Give it a mix. To dry out the water, turn your heat up to high, and then put the lid back on for the dry. Now that our chayote curry is finished, we can turn the stove off and begin serving it. Our chayote curry is finished. You can have this with rice, roti, naan, tortillas. It's very healthy and it tastes very nice. Anyways, see you later. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe.